back to my channel and thank you all for joining me for another CVS quick haul video. If you're new here, I would like to welcome you and I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share, and let's go pick up some quick deals. I'm going to do 2 transactions in this video with 2 10 off 25 CRT, and for the first one, I'll pick up the Eucerin lotion on sale for $4.99, and when you buy one you get $3 back. The second item I'll add to this transaction will be the Palmer's deal. They're on sale for buy one get one half off, and when you buy 2 you get $6 back. I'll pick up 2 3.5 ounce cocoa butter formula priced at $7.99, and the third deal to complete this transaction will be the Garnier Fructis hair care. They're on sale for 2 for $8, and when you buy 2 you get $3 back. So I'm going to pick up 2. This is my first transaction, but I'm going to explain this deal individually, then I will now add them together. For the Palmer's deal, they're on sale for buy one get one half off, and they are priced at $7.99. The first one will be full price and the second one will be $4. These two will total $11.99. We don't have any coupon for this, so by itself, you pay $11.99 and you get $6 back, making them just $5.99 or $3 each. And for the Eucerin deal, it's on sale for $4.99, and I have this $2 coupon that will drop it down to $2.99 and I'll get 3 back, making it free. For the Garnier Fructis, it's on sale for 2 for $8. When you buy 2, you get $3 back. I'll use the 3 off 2 digital coupon to drop it down to 5 and I'll get 3 back, making them just $2 or $1 each. But all of them are going to total $24.98, and that's within the 98% rule for spend 25. I'll use the 10 off 25 CRT everybody received, and the 3 off 2 for the Garnier Fructis, and the $2 paper coupon. That will take off $15. I will pay just $9.98 and get back $6 for the Palmer's deal, $3 back for the Eucerin, and $3 back for the Garnier Fructis, making them free and $2.03 money maker. Let's go over my receipt and see how everything worked out. You can see the $2 paper coupon applied. The 3 off 2 for the Garnier Fructis also came off. The 10 off 25 applied. I used only $9 extra care box, paid 97 cents out of pocket, and I got back $6 for the Palmer's, $3 for the Eucerin, and $3 for the Garnier Fructis. For my next transaction, I did it a little bit different. Instead of picking just one Eucerin lotion, I picked up 5, and they totaled $24.95, which is within the 98% rule for the spend 25. That means I can use my 10 off 25 CRT. I also used 5 $2 Eucerin lotion, and that 5 coupons and the CRT took off $20, and I'm supposed to pay $4.95, but I used $3 extra care box to help lower my out of pocket, paid just $1.95 out of pocket, and I got back $3, making them just $1.95 or 39 cents each. This concludes my video for today. Thank you all for watching. Thanks for all your support, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye.